What's up, guys? I'm just gonna show you some of my art before we start this video. That's cool. I'm so proud of it. I made this yesterday. This is the Greek god Apollo, the god of healing. I do a lot of art pieces on YouTube, like DIYs and how-tos, but I don't do my personal art on YouTube. I have a video on my Instagram right now on my main feed of me making this. I made it last night. It's got a golden eye. Look, you see that eye? So sick. Time for unboxing. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do today, there you are. You know what, let's put these aside. There's a whole bunch of different items here. It's gonna be a surprise. I do know that the diamond ring is supposed to be here, which I'm genuinely curious to see if it looks like absolute garbage or not. We paid $45 for it. So package number one, I'm assuming this is the teddy bear. Here we go, package number one, what do we got? And was it worth the money? Oh my God, it's a teddy bear. It's vacuum sealed. Ew, this looks like a dead bear body. Here's the problem. I'm about to open this and unvacuum seal it, meaning I'm gonna have to package and ship it to one of you guys in a bigger box. I gotta show you guys what this looks like. This is the bear. You can see it's like super vacuum sealed. By the way, Charlie is joining us. He's in this big bundle. Anyways, this is a giant teddy bear. I think we paid 150 bucks for this thing. It's just gonna go like, it's like a giant chicken nugget. Do you hear that? Like, look at that. God, it's like twice the size. There's no way it's fitting back in that box. Okay. Oh, it's soft as hell. Oh man, that's soft. Oh my God. Yo, this guy is freaking massive. He's like, I love it, Dad. Thank you so much. Oddly long legs. He's got a zipper in the back. It was the most expensive item on our video, but I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. Like, not a lot of neck support on this guy.
Hi there, Charlie. I love you. I like you. Can I be your friend?
No, don't bite it. Please don't bite it. I gotta ship this out. I should have saw that coming. Next item. Let's do this guy. It is the compression socks. This was the first item on the list. These are boring. Like to review this is boring. I'm not gonna put my foot in this. Whoever's getting this, do not worry. I'm not gonna put my feet in it because I'm not gonna keep these either. Oh, cool. They got nice little flowers on them. Check that out. Nice little pair of socks. These are great when you're traveling a lot, which no one really is doing right now. But if you're on a plane for long periods of time, they recommend wearing compression socks to actually deal with your legs falling asleep or swelling up. It's a really small giveaway, so I'm not gonna ship this by itself. We're gonna clump some of them up. Don't you hate that when the box does that? Go to like a liquidation center, all the sock boxes or underwear are like that. Like just buckling out. You know that it's not like someone took that out. Anyways, next item. This package was in the middle of my mailroom, just on the floor. The fact that no one stole it is amazing, first off. The Yeti Rambler 30-ounce tumbler. It's a massive brand for keeping drinks cold. So on the inside, you can register your Yeti, and it comes with a Yeti sticker. So I'm gonna put all those back inside. Yeah, on the side, it says over-engineered, dishwasher safe, because no one needs more work to do. Made with durable kitchen-grade 18-8 stainless steel. I feel like they made that term up. Is kitchen-grade a thing? Double-walled vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold or hot to the last sip. No sweat design prevents condensation, keeping hands dry. Let's do a box next. This is the perfect size box, you know what I mean? Ooh, a few items. That is 100% the wedding ring. There's the diamond wedding ring, we got it. We have this scratch paper, that rainbow scratch paper we got. And this is the Marshall guitar amp key plug. Oh, hold on, what's this? Oh, and the silicone dish mats. To my surprise, I got a lot of DMs saying, oh, I kind of want the dish mats. Baking mat. The good thing about this is if you don't bake, which I don't bake, anything silicone is amazing when we're working with resin, because resin will not stick to it. You know, okay, so it comes with a small one. God, it's very grippy. Look at that. Look at that. That is how grippy this thing is, and staticky. Okay, so it comes with a nice small one right there. If you're baking, I don't know, one cookie. And it comes with two larger ones. As well, this will not be an individual item giveaway. Next up, the wedding ring. I'm excited about this one. Oh, okay. Comes in a very cheap box. So it comes in this little box. Let's open it. There it is. You know it was $45 when it comes in a plastic bag. It's nice, but it feels cheap. Like, you know that chrome plastic that chips off and it's like black underneath? The diamond looks decent. Very sparkly. I want to keep it, but I just know that this has engagement ring written all over it that I can't wear that on my pinky. I got a size 9 here. It comes with 2 separate rings that obviously they go together. For $45, you guys can't tell the cheapness of this. Maybe you can. From just looking at it, not touching, you can't tell that this is not real. Visually, it looks like a real engagement ring. There's not much weight to it. And I think that's the biggest thing. Feels cheap, but it looks great. I'm not keeping this either. I will be giving this away. If someone is getting married and you propose with this, that would be amazing. There it is. Next item. The next item from that box was the Marshall guitar amp, the jack rack. This is kind of cool. I sort of need a new key rack. Look at that. It looks so damn... Wait, where are the keychains? Look at that, man. That looks like a real ass amp. So it's got like a cloth amp face. These are all metal. This is like metal. Slide to the left to unlock. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay. All right, inside, we've got the screws to mount it on your wall, and we've got the keychain. Pretty straightforward. You put the key on here and boom. Honey, I'm home. All right, I gotta go. Okay, that's the Marshall. I like that a lot. Like an aesthetic, it's minimal. It just goes on your wall. It's small enough. The only issue I could see is that you've got this massive sort of keychain. But if you're a guitar player, that's kind of a cool aesthetic. I don't think you'd mind that. Put it back in there. That's the Marshall guitar amp keychain. Boom. Next item. Next we had to order these scratch painting. I'm gonna do one. The wooden scratcher sticks, some stencils. So it comes with a pencil sharpener and the scratch sticks if you want to sharpen them, I guess. Let's just write. Oh, cool. Oh, you can just do one from... Can I do a signature? Maybe I can do a signature. Oh! Oh, you can! I'm gonna put that back in. There we go. I'm gonna give you back the pencil too. All right, that's the scratch paper. All right, next item. This was the Tactical Glass Breaker pen. This is so, like, who needs a pen like this, guys? Okay, it is heavier. Yeah, it's heavier than a normal pen. It's cold. Like, you know when you touch metal, it's cold? It's got like a textured grip right here. So the self-defense mechanism or tactical part of this pen is tip here, you grab it and you just go poof, and you smack it into a window. And because if it's pressurized glass, the real fine point is gonna break that glass. So there's the pen refill. The other thing that they did mention is you could hit somebody with this, like on their arm, and apparently it'll hurt. But my theory was if you hit anybody on the arm with a pen, it's gonna hurt. There it is, the tactical pen made of aircraft aluminum. That'll be in a giveaway. Next item, the 360 rotating cosmetic storage box. It comes flat packed, which is great and convenient. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's a spinning base. Wow, this is like very wrapped. So this is the spinning base. Okay, so this goes like this. Guys, I'm so confused. Still wrong. I am confused. How does this... Okay, that makes sense. That's the roof. Oh, okay, and this is the base. Oh, it's upside down. For some reason, I figured it would be this way, but I guess that's the base. Okay, so it's like that. And then these guys are like the shelves. Okay, so this is what it is. You can put like your creams in here. There's the makeup holder. Whoa. And that goes back in the box. That's the 360 makeup container. The plastic is a little bit cheaper. Like it's the type that'll like shatter. It won't like break, it'll shatter. No, never mind. Still got one more. One last box here. Okay. Oh, geez. We got the ice roller. Freeze it, roll it, enjoy it. Oh, and this. The shit out of luck survival tool. Let's review this. We're gonna review this in the next video, so we got a little bit, so we've got equal amount of items to test out. But let's go ahead and do this. So this has a knife, a light, a whistle, a firelight sparker, a signal mirror, a waterproof box. It comes with 62 plus survival tips and tricks on the inside. Okay, so there it is. SOL, survive outdoors longer. Pop this open. Okay, so there's a signal mirror. Look at that, it even tells you. So if the sun is there and a plane is flying over, move origin in left to right motion. Here's some ASMR. Okay, so the top has a mirror. Oh, there's a little latch. Let's open this up. Ooh. Ooh. Here's the Chuck Norris looking guy giving you 62 plus life-saving tools and techniques. So this is to, I guess, ignite your fire. It comes with the 100-pound tested nylon rope, metal wire. I don't know what that would be used for, to be honest. Fishing wire, fishing hooks, sinkers, fishing line, and are those clothespins? And tinfoil. What's this tinfoil? It's just normal tinfoil? A sheet of tinfoil. Okay, and then here's the survival tips. Oh, amazing. Like, look at this. It says stop, sit, travel no further, take a deep breath, relax, conserve your energy. Think, are you physically well? Can you move? Plan. Wow, this is great. Your priorities are positive mental attitude, medical care, shelter, fire, signaling, water, and food. How to stop bleeding, shelter, how to build a snow trench, how to start a fire from a fallen tree. Yeah, how to signal a plane. Oh my God, this is so cool. I like this a lot. So this is the watertight box, I guess. So this has a rubber ring on the outside. This is the watertight box. All your stuff goes in there. In there, water seal. Okay, so that's the inside. So on the back, we've got a compass. There's a little latch right here. You move that and that'll fall out. So on there is the flashlight. What else we got? We got a knife. Oh, wow. Yeah, very sharp knife. Oh, and this is the whistle. Let me try this. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I don't want to do it. Sorry, Charlie looked up. That's the peeless whistle. That would be very loud. Wow, so convenient. This tool alone is convenient. Clips back in. Does this thing... Oh, it does come out. Okay. Okay, so it's got the compass, which slots back in. Here's the fire starting set. Okay, so... Oh, there you just push it out. Okay, so this is the sparker. Oh, shit. Very sparky. Okay, so the sparker's on this end. That is very, very sparky. Yeah, I think this is the one I'm keeping, guys. Like, as of right now, but there's more stuff coming. Wow, this is great. So this has everything you need to at least survive for a little bit of time. And what's great is that it doesn't just leave you with the tools like a lot of these things do. It tells you everything you need to know to get help to stay alive. I don't do a ton of camping, but I might keep this just in case I do. All right, that was the last item for this video. Let me get this guy in here. This is part 1 of the unboxing from the Buying Every Ad I See 2020 edition. A lot of cool items here. Personally, I think the survival kit is the coolest. Yeah, this was the runner-up, but I'm gonna probably give that away. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss part 2 of this. The giveaways are gonna start this week. If you guys are interested, I don't know what's gonna be in the giveaway first, but it will be on my Instagram story shortly. Follow me on Instagram at danocracies. That's where the contest details are gonna be. That's where the contest is gonna be held. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. What an awful way to end. All right, see you guys later.